Okay, I'm making this video about Linktree because you're going to be sharing your referral link on Facebook, and sometimes your referral link may get uh, in the area of being spammed by people. So I don't want you to directly share your GDI link your domain name that you create with GDI. So to keep it safe, I want you to create a Linktree account. You're gonna go to Linktree. Okay, gonna go there and you're gonna click on Get Started for Free. Then it's gonna take you to another screen where you're gonna set up your account, and then you're gonna set up your free account. Sign up for free. You're gonna put in your email address, and you're gonna put in a username, and you're gonna make a password. You need to write down your username and your password and store it in a safe place, because that's how you're going to log into your account and edit your links. You'll see what I'm talking about in a little while. So you click the sign up with email, and it's going to ask you to fill in this information with your full name, to get this stuff out, full name, and it wants you to just pick three different areas of interest as to where your links are going to be going to, just for formalities. And you come on down, and then you got to verify that you are a human being, and hit continue. It's going to take you to the next page. Click the sign up for free. You don't need the $6 a month plan. Click the sign up for free. And you're going to continue to your link tree. And once you get to this page, it's going to ask you to verify your email address right here. It's going to send a link to your email address. And you need to go to your email and verify that your email is legitimate. And if you don't get it, then you can hit that resend verification link again, and they will send you another link to click. So once you go to your email and you verify your account, this is where it will be showing. Then this will show that your account is verified. And once you click that, it's going to take you back to your Linktree account, where you can finish setting up your Linktree account, where you will, like I said before, this is how you will be able to share your referral link on Facebook. So you have to set it up. You want to put a picture in there. You want to you can leave your username at the name that you created, like I have in there, Debbie243, or you can put your whole name. You can put a bio in there, a little description for your page, or you can put something in there and come back and change it later. Once you decide what you want to put in it. It's not that important right now. Okay, just put something in there. Come on down. Be sure to put your picture in. You want to be sure to put your picture in there, so people will know who this link tree belongs to. They won't be guessing about it. And put that picture in there, because we're going to be marketing. We're going to be soliciting people to sign up in our business. You want to have a nice, friendly picture in there. Okay, so that's how that looks. So now we're going to go down and pick a background. You can pick anyone that does not say pro. You can use that, and I picked that one right there. And you can use whichever one you want to use. And every time you update it, then that's what it's going to be. So after you come on back over here, now you are going to put your referral link on this Linktree account. So you're going to click add, you're going to type in the caption for the link. Every time you get ready to put a link on this Linktree account, you're going to add a title, and just like the one that you saw that I made. Click here now. Oops. Okay. And now the link that you're going to put on here is the link is going to be going to your marketing page for your GDI. And this link, you're going to get it from the Get Started guide that I sent you. It's this HTTP Cash and Freedom for Us 30K, that one right there. And at the end where you see I have mine, my username is DKKEMP. You're going to take at the end where it says sponsor equal, you're going to put there the username that you created in GDI. Remember, when you created your GDI account, you created a username and a password. And that is the link that you're going to put on this Linktree account. And it's going to, when people hit that bar, it's going to take them straight to your marketing page. It's going to take them to your marketing page. And that's it. And you're all set up. You are all set up to market your GDI business and solicit your 5 referrals. So when you click that, and the link to your GDI, the link to your Linktree is this link right here. This link right here, right here. Right. That's the link that you would share on Facebook for people to get to your GDI referral page. And that's what they will see, and they will click that, and it clicks straight through to your marketing page. And every tab on this page is your GDI referral link. The Get Started button there, everywhere you see Get Started, your GDI referral link is there. Even at the top, you can see it there. That's the link that's in that bar. And you're all set. And all you have to do is share the Linktree link. When you post on your page or post on your wall and people ask for more information, give them your Linktree link. Do not give them any other link, and you will be successful. Remember now, Facebook has billions of people as members. You only need 5 people. And I thank you for watching this video. Welcome to the team, and I will see you at the top. Goodbye for now.